Here are my top 3 tips on how you can earn thousands of dollars on hosting your next garage sale or estate sale. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Haven Everly. I'm an actress, singer, and your new DIY homepreneur, sharing with you my journey of renovating my home. I don't know about you, but this is all new to me. So be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can learn from my mistakes. I recently helped host an estate sale, and boy, did I learn a lot. So here are my top 3 tips on how to successfully attract a crowd and earn more money selling your stuff. Number 1, start selling before the big garage sale. I highly suggest to call friends, family, or even acquaintances who might want your big ticket items, because if you wait to sell your big ticket items the day of the garage sale, you're probably going to get less than what you could have gotten it for. Also, put the big ticket items on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Craigslist, because again, it gives you more time to sell those big ticket items at a better price point. And on the caption of those big ticket items, you can add on the fact that you'll be having a garage sale on this certain date. So it's another way of promoting the garage sale and also trying to promote the big ticket items before the day of the garage sale. Number 2, set a date and promote. Once you set a date, I highly suggest you promote it at all the garage sale websites and apps. Some of them include Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Facebook groups around your area, Garage Sale, Nextdoor, Garage Sale Finder, Yard Sale Treasure Map, and Garage Sale Map. You gotta promote all of these things because, believe it or not, these avid garage sailors are looking to see the next best garage sale. Also, another cool tip, some of them you don't have to put your exact address. I would suggest to put a range of addresses. For example, instead of putting 123 Cherry Lane, you can put 110 to 130 Cherry Lane. Chances are they're gonna run into your garage sale if they're driving through that lane. Another key thing is you want to put your garage sale or estate sale at 7 a.m. or first thing in the morning. You want to attract the garage sailors when their pockets are still full of cash. And believe it or not, there are avid garage sailors who do this as a hobby. So they'll be at your door lined up at 6:30 in the morning. That's what happened to me. I still hadn't brushed my teeth and there were people knocking at the door. Number 3, be organized on the day. Make sure you put signs around the yard and balloons or something of that nature so that way people know that there's a garage sale at your location or an estate sale at your location. If this is an estate sale, try to put the more desirable items at the front where it's visible. You want to put chairs, you want to put clothes, you want to put tools, things that will attract the people to stop and take a look. If this is an estate sale, I highly suggest you have a team of people that'll help you on the day, and make sure they have stickers or something that indicates that they are a helper. That way you can manage more people at a time. Another reason why you want a group of people is because you want to be cautious of the loose fingers. Believe it or not, there will be people who stuff their bags with your old clothes and act like they bought it or they walk right out. So it's always nice to have a group of people just to be your ears and your eyes. Lastly, kindness goes a long way. When I say the garage sale community is a lot smaller than you think, if people are enjoying the experience that they have at your garage sale, and if they like the items that you offer, chances are they're going to call up their friends, their wife, their husband, their family to see if they want to join and see if they like some of the items that you offer. And that's how you attract more people, which in turn will attract more money. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope these tips help. Make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Haven Everly. I am signing off.